Hi, welcome. We are here to talk about ATID Bluetooth wedge function. This is one of the function provided for ATID handheld devices. As part of this, we would be delivering a demo APK and a jar along with a server application with Windows. So basically, if you look at the architecture, there will be a Windows server side application and as well as the Android side application. We are using SPP as a communication protocol, and from the server side, output can be used and pushed onto the cloud or a storage device, or you can print it as per the requirement. And we are using for the Bluetooth application, we are using a BlueCove library. Now that's the basic information. Let's get into the demo of our system. Now this is how our the Bluetooth server side screen would look like. This is a sample screen that we have made for easy understanding and ease of use. We have initially built this app out of our barcode demo app, which is standardly available with all the ATID devices. Let's look at the functionality. So we have selected the Bluetooth and we are using the barcode app. If you look at, there are options for us to use the same function for UHF, reading the UHF apart from barcode, and you can check for all the connections, and there is a settings option and some additional features and functions. So let's look at the quick demo of it. Here I've got some barcodes. The screen would look something like that. This is the demo app screen. So you have a Bluetooth option here in between, where you have enable and disable button here. So you would first pair these device to the system, and then let's look at the functionality. We are reading a barcode here. So as I keep reading, this information is getting read over here. Yeah. So basically we have read these multiple types of tags and then multiple type of barcodes, and we are able to get the output onto the server side application. So this is in brief about Bluetooth wedge functionality. I hope we'd be able to support you with more features onto the same application based on requirement. We'll be happy to assist and support you. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.